How you doing? It's been a while, man. Yeah. Hey, man, what's going on, man? How you doing, man? Come on.
I'm doing well.
It's good to see you, man.
It's good to see you too. How's life?
Yeah, hey, everything's going good. I can't complain.
I hear you.
Yeah, it's my first little convention. I was like, all right, I mean,
In
I know.
10 years,
Yeah, I've never.
been
Yeah,
to
well, they've always been like West Coast, Midwest, Florida, somewhere far. So this is cool, man. This is awesome, man. Thanks, man.
You can grab
Hey.
this back.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it, Brendan.
I gotta hop back around.
Yeah, no problem, man. Take care of business. Good seeing you. All right. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
You gotta sign up for one.
You getting another massage, man.
I'm telling you. You already know.
Well, yeah. She would have had she lived longer, but yeah.
How you doing?
Great yourself.
What's that?
Try them out. I said I'm doing great myself.
Oh, I'm doing good. I'm just documenting everything for my students because they couldn't be here today.
So it's a massage tool.
Yeah.
Ever massage therapist?
Oh, yeah,
It's a
definitely.
smaller one.
Oh yeah, I definitely got one. Well, a
Use on the
couple.
clients as well as themselves.
Oh.
Well, the trigger wheel, which is more isolating. It saves your thumbs. Or if I do it to you,
Yeah.
I would use it
Oh, yeah.
on your neck,
Yeah.
into your head, all the way, shoulders,
I needed this.
legs, forearms.
That is awesome.
Try it yourself. It's here at the trade show. It's $17.23. They're normally $21.50. Sorry for going back and forth. You need something you hover at or
Man, I love this thing.
Yeah, it's stainless steel. You can put them in freezer for cold therapy.
You're gonna get me in trouble. I've already bought past what I'm supposed to spend.
Well, at least this one doesn't break the budget. Not that I'm not
No, it doesn't.
appreciative of it. With sales tax, it comes to $18.19. That much I know.
$18 on.
$18 an
That's still not bad. Yeah.
No, it's not.
This is.
Sales tax is 5.75%.
Can I get you guys' information?
Sure you can.
All right. Appreciate it. No, this is really inventive. This is very nice. I love it.
It's stainless
Man.
steel. They last longer than 30 years. Just like the stick, unless you abuse the
Yeah,
product.
oh, I have plenty. Yeah, those things work wonders.
And how long have you had them?
Forever, almost.
Yeah.
Since they came. Yeah.
And that's my point. Any of the products, it's an investment
Yes.
that you'll be glad you made.
Actually, the foot is that the
Yep.
the foot.
That has stainless steel in there
That's-
as well.
This is in here.
For
Okay.
cold therapy, it's on the last page.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, because I'm all about the feet.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Try it. If you've never tried it, take off your shoes, take 30 seconds of your
Oh, you
time,
don't-
do one foot only.
I got man feet. This
Okay.
my feet stink
Well,
probably.
you got socks on, right?
I do.
Okay.
Let's try.
Yes, yes. Sorry. I am bad with names, and everyone and their brother has their name tag turned around.
That's
yeah.
good.
Yeah. And now can I show you a trick that most people
Oh, yeah,
forget?
sure.
Put your foot back on. Tilt your foot outside.
Oh.
Go all the way to your heel.
Wow. Ooh.
All the way.
Ah.
Feel that?
Yeah, it really gets.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
But in a good way. It's like
Yeah.
a good pain. It's like,
Yes.
oh, I needed that.
Well, you control how deep you go, And with the ball, the problem is it doesn't target the areas well enough.
It does right. I agree. That gets right in. Yeah.